Come on.
So we're at Mud Creek Falls. We're on the trail. It's really nice. You follow the creek the whole way. We're in Sky Valley, Georgia. This is about an hour and a half from us. We live in Anderson, South Carolina. And then there's a scenic overlook too that we'll go to after this. We rode right by it. But we decided to do the trail and then do the overlook. We're almost back to where we parked at. We took the scenic route and decided to park in a different location and do like a mile walk there and a mile walk back. You can, for this one, pull right up to the waterfall. So that makes this one a really busy site. There are a lot of people there. But we're headed to the overlook and we'll check that out. So we made it to the covered bridge. We're almost at the scenic overlook. This is technically the end point for the trail, Mud Creek Trail, but we're gonna head over just a little bit to the overlook. It's that way. So we decided to end our trip with Woodall Shoals. We were trying to go to another little secret waterfall, but there were two cars there, so
It wasn't a secret.
it's not a secret. We decided to come here and chill, have a drink to end the day. Lily is not enjoying the cold right now. It's sprinkling just a little. She's not happy about it.